If it has entered a little bit, then you can hit with force. So watch what I'm going to do. What's up, guys? How you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install Camber bushing. So what we are going to do is to remove Camber bushing and install this new variant. So when this bushing is bad, man, there are a lot of things that happen to the leg of your car. You notice a shake, and that will be dangerous for your driving. So come right with me as we head into main goes off. So you can see this over here. I'm gonna remove this camber bushing, and I will install this new camber bushing that you are seeing over here. So to remove, you just have to bring a simple tools like this, the chisel, and also we have the hammer over here. So I'm gonna place this something like this. Start up down for the period, and then I'll hit directly. So you hit opposite and you come. All this thing from there like this. So we're gonna hit opposite to pull this guy off. It's simple. You hit opposite. And then since it has gone inside a little, then we have to balance very well to hit it out. So this is Nigeria. We work in Nigeria ways, not in US ways. Okay. So you can see what I just did. The bushing is out. And this is the new one that I'm going to install. So I will install this down. So it's simple to install. Let's apply little oil on the surface for smooth entrance. And you're good to go, man. So this guy has a setting. You can see these two pins over here. These two pins over here are gonna face this way. So placing it like this is wrong. You're wrong. So, but this is how you should place it. Let it be like this, not like this, not like this, but straight. Okay. So come. Good. So you're gonna tap two-sided also. Tap little by little. So we are going to be hitting the bushing two-sided, gentle by gentle. Then if it has entered a little bit, then you can hit with force. So watch what I'm going to do. Then you check the other side. Okay, we still have to hit it. Tap. Go little again. So it's simple as this. So you can see that we've installed the new bushing. You can see. So it is done. That is the simple way to replace your camber bushing. So
to install this also, you just have to set, but before then make sure you've applied your oil, and then you place, also you hold, and then you hit. You can see smooth going. Hit again until it's done. You can see what I just did. It has entered plainly. Okay, that's the simple way to install the boat. You can see what I just did. Great.
So we are done and ready to fix. So hope you find the video helpful. Do well to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.